started warrants like 3 or 4 times. I don't know. If you could get on the radio and help me out there. Relax, 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 relax.
When you get out, you get your ticket and get rehab.
Yeah. Do you like that?
What happens when a routine airport contact uncovers outstanding warrants, an identification demand that may have exceeded police authority, and a felony assault? More importantly, what does this encounter reveal about the legal boundaries most officers and citizens never fully understand? This analysis breaks down the law, the turning points, and the lessons that apply far beyond this airport.
Hey man, Officer Palmer for Seattle Police. Everything's out of here recorded. Can you talk with me for a minute here?
What's going on? I'm going to talk to you over here.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Let's go in the corner over here. See what's going on. I'll zoom out with him. All right. So we've got a couple of calls about you, my man. What brings you to the airport tonight?
I'm going to California.
Do you have a book? You have a ticket?
Yes.
Can I see it?
I just lost it. That's why I'm walking that way to get a new ticket.
Okay. You got some ID on you, man?
I don't.
Okay. How are you gonna get through security without ID?
I don't know. I have my ticket.
Okay.
What is wrong?
So we got a couple of calls about your talking to other women and trying to get through the checkpoint with no ID and no boarding pass and nothing.
No, I have my boarding pass. I just got to get it.
Okay, look. Just relax for a second here, okay? You're sweating. Why are you sweating?
Because I'm stressed out. So I'm
Okay.
I'm like 30 minutes. on my flight leave.
So just give me a second to confirm your story, and we'll get you on your way, okay? If that is indeed it, all right? So let's relax your thing. What's your first name, my man?
Dylan.
Dillon.
Yep. Oh. Can I please go get my boarding pass? Because I'm really late.
What's the date of birth for you, man? So what airline are you flying on?
Alaska.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really important flight for me.
Okay. So the boarding passes here at the airport, the boarding passes for Alaska are all on your phone.
Yes, but I had the physical one they printed out for me, and I lost it. So look, I downloaded the app.
Okay. Do you have a confirmation or an email?
That's why I was just going to get a new ticket. Man, I don't want no problems. I just want to fly to California.
I'm not trying to give you any problems here. What I'm trying to tell you is we got a couple of calls about your behavior. That's why I'm talking to you at all.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. Is your ID out of Washington or another state?
Washington.
Okay. And again, to go over this ground, how are you going to get past security when you don't have an ID? You need an ID to go past security.
I do have an ID.
Do you have it on you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Well, I don't see how that's legislated.
I want to know who I'm talking to.
I have done nothing wrong to make me have to give you my ID.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna go get my boarding pass.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. If you got a boarding pass, man, I got his name here. We'll just follow him. Call to switch. I remember the name. Alaska. Hey, man. Tickets are over there. Alaska's over there. Last of Campbell, common spelling. First of David, Ida, Lincoln, Ocean, Nora, middle J like John. You're causing disturbance in the airline. I'm following you to make sure that you are ticketed.
I just want to fly to California. What's going on?
Phone subject over
Hey,
Alaska.
you're not
so
about
they're
to tackle
ticketed.
me, are you?
What did I just tell you, man? I told you I'm following you to make sure you got a ticket.
I have a ticket.
I'm following the subject to Alaska to determine if they have a ticket.
Why do you keep talking in the walkie-talkie? Sorry.
Sir, could you guys help us for a second here, please? We're coming to determine something here. Can you check if this gentleman has a boarding pass?
Yep, I got for a flight to California. I'm sorry to... Seriously, I'm sorry to disturb you guys at all.
Vault to an update on the Correct.
So you have a reservation with us, but for time reservation. Give me 1 second, okay?
So what's going on?
Oh no, I just need to reprint
What's
it
wrong?
for him.
Yeah, because I got to get to my... That's what I'm saying. I'm in a hurry. Can you please print my...
Just give me 1 second, okay?
All right, thank you. Are you having a good night besides this?
Yeah, just give me a sec.
Sorry. Why do you keep doing that in the walkie-talkie?
Because I'm talking on the radio, man.
If he gives me my ticket, I'm good.
Well, we'll see if they're gonna fly you, man. I don't know.
Yeah.
Mike,
Yeah.
are you on one of our flights?
Yes. I'm trying to get to the flight.
Okay, did somebody escort him here? Yeah?
He claims he had a ticket.
I have a ticket to go to California.
Are you going to Santa Ana?
Yep. But no. I'm going to actually to a sober housing unit in California.
All right.
I'm sorry?
Was there a DSC one in there?
So it looks
I
like
couldn't
you
hear.
have
He started warrants like 3 or 4 times. I don't know. If you could get on the radio and help me out there so I can watch him.
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to. We're gonna rebook you. But for right now, we're gonna have to wait at least 4 hours prior to allowing you to take the flight. Okay. So we're gonna check the next available flight to Orange County.
Okay.
But you're not gonna be able to take this one at 6:45, right?
All right. Yeah. No, absolutely not.
Okay.
I'll go hang out. I'm good. I just really need to get to California. It's really important for my life.
I know. I understand.
Super.
I'm just gonna really,
All right.
really, really.
You just put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Relax, 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 relax. Relax, relax, relax.
I'll explain it all. We're gonna still get your refund though.
Double cuff?
What's it for?
DOC.
DR.
DOC.
No, she knew I was going to California.
So
Okay.
hang on. We're gonna when you get out, you can get your ticket and get to rehab. Okay.
Fuck, man. Would you like that?
Yeah. So he ain't flying tonight.
All right, my car is on the 4th floor.
You're a bitch.
Thank you. Perfect. Let's do that.
Fuck!
You've been really good so far. Let's not fuck that up. Okay? I appreciate you being calm.
I'll
Let's just
fuck-
continue that, okay?
I'll fuck you up.
No doubt, but let's... you've
Yeah, I
been
would,
good so
100%.
far. All right.
1v1, I'd fuck your shit off. You know that. You ain't tough.
All right.
What door yet?
We're at 25.
Man, you guys can't find nothing better to do. I'm trying to go to rehab.
Let's go outside.
Relax.
I'm going to rehab.
This outdoor.
My PO knows I'm going to rehab. You guys do nothing positive. You guys do only negative fucking bullshit. My PO knows I'm going to rehab. I was going to rehab. You know that. You're a bitch, bro. That's why you're a fat, chubby, chipmunk looking. Being positive for society. So if you ever think that you're doing anything positive for society, just go shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's go.
That bugs me? You think that bothers me? That don't bug you. That don't
Resisting, you're gonna get additional charge. Okay, I will charge you with resisting arrest. You
for
understand me?
carrying my fucking groin?
You can comply.
Hey, go ahead. Hey, hop on board with the young PD. They know what's up. They know what kind of fucking shit's up.
I'm trying to search his belt line on this side. Are you guys searching on your side or no?
You're breaking my wrist.
Pocket's clear. Hey, dude, why don't you chill out? On the ground. Ow! Ground. Ow! Right here. Ow! 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 My arm is locked. I got his feet. Go get cleaned up. Hang on. Relax. On your side. All right. Stay there. Or on your side. Okay. Stop hurting. Keep your feet down. Keep your feet down, or you're gonna go back on your stomach. Stop hurting me. We're just gonna let you be on your side. He's gonna go in the car. He's agreeing to go. Stand up. Oh. Sit down. Get these cuffs off. Yes. All right. Come on, John. Get that leg in there. There you go. Property bank. Who wants to really do a score with me?
Okay, you guys, we got that now. Okay, obviously.
I guess I can just have him meet me at the. Here, I'm gonna come back down.
Just leave it like that.
You gonna go to the hospital? What do you feel like you need to do?
He just spit in my face. I don't know if
Did it get in your mouth? Did it get in your eyes?
they got everywhere. He was you to me, and he just went and spit everywhere. Huh? No, we charged him with assault 3. I got spit in the face.
Yes, I understand that. I'm guessing you're going to forward those. Just don't want to book on his DOC warrant right now.
And the score.
Yeah, that's fine.
The initial contact is governed by Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1, decided in 1968. The Supreme Court established that law enforcement may conduct a brief investigative stop upon reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Multiple verified calls reporting disruptive behavior at a secured checkpoint satisfy this threshold. Suspicion must be specific and articulable, not a generalized hunch. That distinction is the constitutional flaw of every investigative stop in the United States. Here is where this encounter becomes legally significant. Washington state has no stop and identify statute, unlike approximately 24 states that compel citizens to identify themselves during an investigative stop. Washington imposes no such legal obligation. The officer's identification demand had no statutory authority behind it. The subject's refusal was not obstruction. Under Washington law, it was a lawful exercise of his rights. 2 Supreme Court decisions frame this issue directly. Brown v. Texas, 443 U.S. 47, decided in 1979, held that a state cannot punish a citizen for refusing to identify without lawful authority to demand it. Hebel v. 6 Judicial District Court, 542 U.S. 177, decided in 2004, confirmed that stop and identify statutes are constitutionally valid where a state has enacted them. Washington has chosen not to enact one. That legislative gap is the controlling legal reality on the ground. The return of active warrants from dispatch is the legal pivot of this entire encounter. A valid arrest warrant provides independent court-authorized probable cause under the Fourth Amendment. The legal framework shifts completely at this moment. The encounter transforms from an investigative stop governed by Terry v. Ohio into a warrant arrest, requiring no additional factual justification from the officer. Every subsequent action is evaluated under an entirely different constitutional standard. Physical restraint during the warrant arrest is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided in 386. The Supreme Court established that the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene set, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and the degree of active resistance encountered. Handcuffing a subject with active warrants and documented agitation throughout the encounter falls within this standard. Spitting on a law enforcement officer performing official duties constitutes assault in the 3rd degree under Washington Revised Code 9A36.031. Washington courts have consistently held that intentional spitting satisfies the statutory definition of assault without requiring physical injury. This offense is classified as a Class C felony carrying a statutory maximum of 5 years in state's custody. A single impulsive act during an arrest creates a felony record and fundamentally alters the legal exposure of the subject. Physical resistance during the arrest triggers Washington Revised Code 9A.76.04, resistics, where an active warrant provides the underlying authority, the arrest is lawful by definition, and any physical interference satisfies the elements of the statute. For a subject already under probation supervision, a new felony charge operates independently as a probation violation, triggering revocation proceedings in a separate court on top of the new criminal case. The core lesson of this encounter is that each phase of a police-citizen interaction carries a distinct constitutional standard. The investigative stop, the identification demand, the warrant arrest, and the use of force are each evaluated under different legal tests. Conflating these phases is the most common analytical error in police accountability cases. Knowing which legal framework applies at which moment is not optional. It determines whether the conduct was lawful or unconstitutional. Consider what this footage leaves unresolved. The officer's identification demand likely exceeded Washington state legal authority before the warrants returned. The subject was legally correct to refuse, yet he ended this encounter facing a felony charge. Was the initial detention lawful at every stage? Could the Assault 3 charge survive appellate scrutiny? And what obligation do officers have to inform subjects of the legal basis for arrest in real time? The answers to those questions are not as settled as they may appear.